Welcome everyone. In this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a drill down between two charts within NSAW. It's very simple. So in my use case, I have the financial statement and I want to select one specific cell that will be used as the main filter for this second report here. So how you would do such thing is, first of all, click on the three dot on top right, then data action. In my case, they're already created, but I'll walk you through. So we'll name, first of all, we'll give it a name. So in my case, data drill down income sheet. The type will be analytics link. Anchor to, meaning which parameter you want to use as the filter for the second chart. So account type, account name, and the date in my case. The target will be this workbook, meaning that this current workbook will be the main source where this will be used. And then the Canva link, meaning the second chart that you want to use as a drill down. You select the second chart, in my case, drill down customer from invoice, and pass value, you will select custom, and then once again, choose the same parameter you've used for anchor to, and the rest we can leave it as is. Once you do that, you'll be able to click, for example, on this 1.6 million, and drill down income sheet will show up. You can click on that, and this is how the data will be showing up once you click on it. And let's say on top of it, you want to, for example, this specific invoice of 2.5 thousand, you want to use it and you want to be able to find it in NetSuite. You can also create another data action to do that. In my case, I've called it access invoice in NetSuite. We give it a name. The type will be URL navigation. The link is also in my blog post for this specific URL link, and you just make sure to fill in the customer invoice internal identifier as the field that you want to pass through each time you want to open a record. So once that's set up, you can simply click a cell and then access invoice in NetSuite, and there you go. You will be able to quickly access your records in NetSuite through NSAW. Well, I hope that video was helpful. Thank you for watching.